and I really hope that you get a chance to talk to our very own Balaya Garu and our favorite Rana. This is so special because having both of them together at this point of time when they have a fantastic film coming up that all of us, just with the first look and the posters, got so excited about. This is just extremely special. But that's what Saima is all about, right? All the artists and the celebrities, they take their own initiative and their own steps to make sure that they're a part of this event. And we promise you we're trying our level best to have them into this live because this is so very special. And they're here, ladies and gentlemen. Balaya Garu, welcome, please. Hi, Rana. Hello. How are you? Balaya Garu, I think the moment we announced ki you're coming on Facebook Live, everybody got very, very excited. How do you feel, sir, being a part of Saima?
Yeah, I'm very happy, all excited and honored to be with Saima.
Sir, it's our honor to have you here. Rana, you're like the brand ambassador of Saima. So welcome home, I must say. How does it feel about being?
Always happy. Saima is like a little family event for all of us. And it's the first only place where we get all the four industries together. Yes. And it's great to be here.
Absolutely, and I think we got to see a couple of posters and it already made all of us excited. I think we're all looking forward to it. But sir, tell us, how is it, a film, how is it coming up?
It's coming up as it is destined to.
Rana,
Many people ask me like, how could this happen? Like Vidya Balanji playing and Mr. Rana playing in the movie and all that. I said, even the shooting, while the shooting is going on, so anything we wanted is just laid like on a laid platter. Absolutely. So platter, it's...
I think it's just meant to be, right? 3 letters that's making the country go crazy.
Yeah. Me, the son, first time in the history of the world film industry, I think, son playing his dad's role.
So this must be so special, right? I mean, compared to all the characters that you've played all your life, this must be the most special role.
Of course, because some few films are there like Shata Karni, for which I'm nominated as the best hero, because that my father hasn't done that role.
Yes.
So you can't. So that is.
No, but what, sir, you're saying nomination? We all know you won the award. We're all so excited. So many fans voted for you. So many fans loved you as the king.
Yeah, I'm very much thankful to all my fans for voting me and for all the jury members for also.
Absolutely. And Rana, this must be like a dream come true for you as well, right?
Completely. See, the reason why any Telugu people we are here with the industry is here, it's because of this one man called Mr. N.T. Ramarao, and he brought all of us together. And me to play a little part in that film,
I say his grandfather was also a legend, Mr. Ramanaidu. He was a Mughal of Telugu industry.
Sir, Ramanaidu.
Not only Telugu industry, many all the languages he made, like Bengali and then Hindi.
రామానాయుడు గారు ఒకటి చెప్పేవారు సార్ ఇప్పుడు మన పునాదిరాళ్ళు సురేష్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఎందుకు గట్టిగా ఉంటుందంటే అది రాముడు భీముడు కాబట్టి రామారావు గారు ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు మా కాంపౌండ్ లో.
Yeah, sir, we'll add. But tell us, how is it to work with Balaya?
It's huge, and you see, like I've worked in many industries. I worked with Mr. Bachchan. I worked with all actors like this. Telugulo eppudu I didn't know how to approach or work with actors of the other generation, but I was so happy that this came together like this, and for a film like this, which is so special. So I'm very, very honored and always.
Absolutely, and I think last year we were here after Bahubali release, but we had to wait a whole year for it to get nominated, right? How does it feel? I think in all
for the production 2 years, another 1 year for now.
I know, sir. So finally,
Bahubali has been for past 5-6 years of my life. I've been in Bahubali only. This is 1, 2, and now here. But always, everything about that film is very, very happy for us.
Okay, and today Bhalal Dev is nominated. Like, when we watched the film, it wasn't even like Rana was there. It was like, oh, he's actually evil, man. He's right there. So being nominated under like the best actor in negative role, how does it...
Always, it's a feather on your cap every time. No, that it's like a merit that you keep a dot with.
I also want to do negative roles.
Yeah, sir. Okay, point taken. But sir, like, did you watch Bahubali 2? I'm sure you must have watched.
But I'm scared. Because if I do any negative role, then there'll be many cases on me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful time and hope both of you win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much. And what an iconic moment was that. I think the fact that they're such big legends but still are so modest and so kind and so down to earth is exactly what we need to learn from them and get inspired. So we're going to be back on Pantaloon Saima 2018 Red Carpet very soon with a lot more celebrities. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you.